finally, today is the day that we're going to Bohol for my son's 15th birthday celebration. It's actually a birthday vacation with our whole family. So, doon na lang namin sila i-meet sa airport. Here we go again. See you there.
Yeah, this is the Ninoy International Airport.
Ito na ang barangay Burgos. Hi Zia! Congratulations Zia!
What does literally means 50K?
I don't know. What did he say?
He just said he promised me the 50K.
Ano 50K? 5K lang.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Louie!
Timmy, what can you say about Kawis? Hello, kumanta siya. Eat ka na. Hi guys! Kain na kayo? Shh, Bimboy! Boy!
Look at these plastic ones.
Food nyo? Ano food
Thank
nyo?
you. Thank you sa
Eat na kayo.
breakfast.
Eat na kayo dyan. Water lang ako. I'm diet. Charot. Hindi, busog pa ako. Hi, Rach! Kumaingin na rin ito sa beach. Humihingi na po niya yung budget niya.
We're at the airplane.
Aircraft. In a few minutes,
Look.
we're boarding.
Look. Look, we're still at the ground though, but we'll be in the takeoff later. We'll be in Bohol in just a few minutes.
Ma.
Wow.
Hi, sis. Sis. Ready na kami, guys. Swimming agad pagdating.
Can I?
You wanna eat? Later
Nothing.
na lang. Later na. See you in
Bohol.
Panglao, Bohol in a few and after an hour.
1 hour, yeah.
Kain na sila. Sige pa na boy. Doon kayo sa kanila.
Doon kayo.
Okay na sila. Dito ka na boy. Okay. Where's?
Right here.
Ayan sa harap. Tara dito. Hayaan mo na yung mga kids doon. Ay ma, si Boy nandun na lang din sa kabila. Ha? Yeah, happy birthday Louis. This is the best birthday you've ever had. You deserve it. Wow.
First ever birthday here in Bisaya.
On my birthday, this one
I thank you, sir.
Salamat.
Yes.
I think
Pwede na. Settled na yan. Ano? Korean na. Asa si Timmy? Ano dyan pala si Timmy, boy? Timmy, ano? Ang daming check-in ngayon.
Sure, yes, right?
Halika na, check-in na muna tayo. Ha? Yeah. Are you sure you're happy? Wait lang ha. Welcome drinks. Ginger iced tea. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
And to the birthday boy.
What's on your keys?
Oh, ito na, ibibigay ko na yung James, kay Sebi to. Sebi, oh. Ito dito sa beach leader, ah. Thank you po. Saka ito pa, saka dito. Wala ba yung Timmy? Kay Timmy. What's this one? Ako si Collis. Ako si Tia Luis. Uy, papalubuhin pa yung mga salbabida later. Rachel! Rachel, ito yung salbabida mo. Yes, yung salbabida. Sige, isa kayo ng salbabida. Palubuhin mo lang agad. Ito yung sa'yo, Rach. Tapos ito kay Zia. ba? May iba na lang kung boy kasi wala siyang kickboard.
Ba't umiiyak si Zia? Tita, umiiyak si Zia.
Meron, di yung isa. Tara na, mag-swimming ka. Halak ka. Dahil dyan, hindi namin ako magko-contact lens dahil yung mata ko is, yung mata ko guys is super dry. Dahil wala akong shulog. I have a sunblock. Glasses na lang muna ako. This is our beach bag. Tingin tayo ng mga beach bag guys. Ay, magdadala pa lang tayo. Meron tayo. I have umbrella guys. And lastly, I have a aqua flask. Kasi naman hirap. Kaya naman nahihirap. Tingnan mo kumasya. Girl, kasya siya bag. Kasya siya lahat. Oh my God. Kapag grade ko to later para makita yung gano'n kadami. 10 beach towels. Binigay sa akin ng Hera. Pag nawala mo yung isang towel, 985 sila. Kaya kailangan yung mga towel mo na gamit. Uy, girl, ba't ganyan pang iniit? Di ba alam? Ano ba? Alam nyo yan? Ay, oh, shut! Hindi, wait nga. May paraan yan. Alam yan, binbuja. Ah, gawin na lang. Hindi, wait. May paraan yan. O, diba? May posible naman. Hindi nga ako nga. Yan o. Hirap din, it's hard. See, o. Guys, we're here in Alona Beach, Panglao. Diba? Ang ganda.
Yeah, something, one more thing.
Naghahanap lang kami ng makakainan.
But are we going to the boat? Again?
No.
No? No more boats?
No.
Because you're afraid because I might get thrown again on the water.
Hanap na tayo ng kainan. Gusto mo ma? Kain guys, lunch by the beach. Mga mami, wala pa akong tulog. Pero yung mga kids, gustong-gusto na nilang mag-swimming, mga mami. Diyos ko dahil, baka dito na ako mag-collapse. Hindi pa ako natutulog. Dire-diretso tayo sa flight. Tapos, Diyos ko dahil. Ano? Ginusto nyo yan. So guys, good morning. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog again last night because we're so tired. And pati sa breakfast buffet, di na rin kami nakapag-vlog. So right now, where are we going, Luis?
The Chocolate Hills.
Okay, we're
And
gonna
because-
discover Bohol.
Yep,
We're gonna
the Chocolate
discover
Hills.
Bohol. And
Although I think it's gonna be a little bit
Dito
far
yung
away.
lighting. Dito kayong lighting maano. Dito tayo, ayan. So, ano?
So I said the Chocolate Hills is where we're gonna go. This is another one of those tourist spots which you always seen that in the images. And something
In the textbooks.
Yes, textbooks, but also
But
sometimes
now,
in
you're
images.
gonna see it.
In real life and what it looks like.
Yeah. So,
I mean,
let's
you've seen
go.
them in many vlogs.
Yep. So, guys, we're going na. And tignan na natin yung family ko. Na-check na natin sila, Luis.
Yep.
Okay, bye. Bye, guys. See you there na lang. Sabi mo, Luis?
So, okay. Currently,
No, Tagalog. Sabi mo kanina. Nasaan sila?
sobrang bagal yung pamilya ko. kasi
Nasaan
kasi
na ba
handang kami ay mag going sa Chocolate Hills.
Nasaan na ba sila?
Hindi ko alam. Pero sobrang bagal sila.
Okay, sobrang bagal daw nila.
Kasi I think one of my cousins po ay still natutulog.
So, we're waiting. Ayan na sila.
I guess that's a
Ayan na ang aking pamilya. Waiting na lang.
Pero yeah, big change.
Ina mo naman, ang bablog ako eh. Sige, mag-yossi ka na muna.
Pero yeah,
Hi, hi. Hi, Rich. Walang pretty ni Rich.
hey,
I love your I love your
Can
top.
you be the one to do the vlogging?
Rich, I
Hold
love
the
your
phone.
top. Hi,
Wait,
hi, Timmy boy. Timmy boy. Hello, guys. Welcome to Chocolate Hills.
Okay, in our left side, yan na po.
Ayan na, yung mga sample. Pabalik na kami guys. Sorry ngayon lang ulit nakapag-vlog.
May CR dito.
Tsambahan na lang talaga sa makukuhanan ko sa vlog eh. Ano yan? Nakita ko na. Kaso nakatago siya eh. Ayan o. Pabalik na kami ng I think exit na to. Bawal ditong mag-video ng may flash. Tsaka bawal din yung masyadong maingay. Kasi baka mas distract yung mga tarsier. Medyo madulas lang kaya. Pababa na kami guys. Uy, madahan-dahan ka. Umawa ka dyan,
Mahawak ako lagi.
Kumapit ka. Bakit?
Hindi pwede.
Madulas ka.
Hindi ka pwede bigyan ng mawak na ka. Dulas ka.
Okay, we're done. We're done na sa tarsier. Madahan-dahan. Meron din mga souvenir shops here. Just like dun sa Chocolate Hills. Nakabili na ako ng ref magnet, wallets, scrunchies. T-shirt lang, hindi ko pa nabibili. Excuse me. Ano yan? Ref magnet? Keychain? What's that?
Saan yung ate?
So, pass na muna ako sa souvenirs kasi nakarami na ako dun sa Chocolate Hills eh. Pero parang maganda tong na to, pouch. Maganda siya guys. May headband ba? Ito may headband oh. Mas mura pa nga ata dito eh. Pero parang mamaya i-haul ko yung mga ko. Are you okay, Luis?
Yeah.
Tired?
Look at this one.
What's that?
A tarsier.
Welcome to man-made forest. Grabe oh, ang taas ng puno.
Do you think you can find animals here?
I think so.
Look at just like how we find a
Maganda.
tarsier.
Yeah.
I thought it was a restaurant.
Yes, it is.
Is it?
It's like we're gonna cruise in the river with there's a lunch buffet. Excited na naman siya. Excited ang family ko. Yung iba kasi first time here. Me, my sister, Wilma, and Bimboy are para-paras kaming second time na here. First time? Kasi nung first... Apo, yes. Ma! Senior mo daw. Senior. Hingi na yung senior ng mom ko for discount siguro. Just hold it. It's actually my second time here. I was pregnant with Luis. During my first time. That's your first time kasi wala ka pa naman dun. Happy birthday, Luis! Good morning! I love you, Kwawis. Are you ready for breakfast? Okay, let's go.
Although I am sometimes sleepy.
Sleepy ka pa? Okay, after breakfast, sleep na lang tayo. Hi guys! We're back!
Sorry, hindi na kami nakapag-vlog. We're so busy.
Yeah, kanina super busy. Nag-swimming lang naman kami dyan. Sa pool, tsaka sa beach. Tapos nag-lunch kami sa 7-Eleven. That's it. And ngayon, birthday dinner ng son ko. Hindi ko na na-vlog yung iba kasi nga hindi naman kami vlogger. Yun lang. What's your birthday message to Luis, Ma?
Stay smart, healthy, and always listen to your mom.
Sa birthday po. Okay lang. Rach! Say hi!
Rachel, what's your birthday wish? What's your birthday message?
Luis, pakinggan mo yung birthday message
I
niya.
hope you can eat chips.
So I just hope they...
Makinig ka muna sa
Feel
birthday.
it from you.
Yun lang.
And I hope you
Hey,
live
cut it out.
happy long life.
Ano? And then, what's your birthday wish to Kwawis?
The birthday wish is to take mortality.
I love you, Kuya Luis.
Ito naman sis, what's your birthday wish?
Hello.
Maging ano?
Oh.
Maging what?
May all his wishes will come true and stay healthy, more birthdays to celebrate with us. Lagi naman yun ang birthday message.
Very good girl. Sige, pwede na.
Sa maganda vlogging ba para?
Pang ano rin, di ba?
Ma'am, pizza po ma'am.
Ma!
Pizza po siya ma'am.
Ako, birthday wish ko lang kay Luis maging strong, maging happy and maging kind siya to everyone. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Luis! Panoorin mo to sa YouTube pag na-upload ko na.